Hi, I know we often start a course, whether it's the language course or any other skill based course, full of motivation and excitement, especially because it's available for free. But somewhere halfway through, we tend to drop it. Whatever the reason may be, many people aren't able to stick to the promise they made when they started. Some, though, really do complete it. What we always end up wondering is whether the purpose behind upskilling was actually fulfilled. Most of the time, we start a technical course because we want to crack a job. And others watching just like us are curious. Did this free thing actually help someone get the job they wanted? But more often than not, people don't update us on that. Even after saying they will. At least that's what I've observed. I might be right or wrong. The whole purpose of saying all this is simple. If you're genuinely interested in knowing whether a free course can actually land you a good, well-paying job, you'll find out along with me. Because I am going to experiment with this myself. I'll be doing Excel and part or all of SQL, plus a little bit of Power BI here and there. We'll build whatever projects we can, create portfolios, and share them on job platforms and similar places. I'll be posting videos from scratch to the end, showing where I stumbled, what irritated me, where I almost gave up but didn't, and all together we'll see whether these free YouTube courses are actually worth it. Disclaimer. These videos won't tell you a universal truth. If I say a certain course isn't worthwhile, it doesn't mean it won't be worthwhile for someone else. This will be my personal experience and it may or may not work with others. So take it with a grain of salt. But one thing you'll get out of this is clarity. Whether a free online YouTube course can help you get a good, well-paying job. Second disclaimer. I'm not teaching you Excel, SQL or Power BI topics. Instead, you'll be alongside me as I cross each level and walk toward the goal. So let's shake hands and be on our way to acing this together. And don't forget to turn on the notification icon so you don't miss any moment that might actually make a difference or make or break the purpose in the end.